Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see another simple and easy yet delicious recipe, that is chicken kebab. Now this makes for a great snack or a starter. So let's check out the recipe. Here I have taken quarter kg chicken with bones, 1.5 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of chicken masala, half a spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of chili powder, half a spoon of red chili powder, salt, curry leaves, green chili, 2 spoons of curd, and chicken masala can be of any brand and choice. Now let's marinate the chicken with all the ingredients which we had taken. Here I am adding curry leaves and green chili for the extra taste. It gives a different flavor and taste to the chicken kebabs. If you feel the mixture is very thick and dry, add few drops of water and mix it well. Now let's keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a pan, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. If the pan is big, you can add all the chicken pieces together, else you can fry them in batches. Flip the chicken on the other side and cook well. Now you can see the chicken is fried nicely on one side. So fry the chicken evenly till it is golden brown. The chicken kebabs are fried on both the sides and we have got a rich brown color. Now take this out on a tissue paper so that the excess oil is removed. So our chicken kebabs are ready. Here I am adding few drops of lemon juice which would give an extra flavor for the kebabs. You can also serve them hot with some mint yogurt dip or with onion slices. So do try it out and enjoy. Also leave the comment below.